What's up, you guys? It's your girl Stephanie Reed, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to do a quick update. Not sure if you guys can tell, honey. I just got my eyebrows done. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness, that's good. I haven't had my eyebrows waxed in like over a month, but a lot's been going on, you guys, for this past month, or going on 2 months now that I've been in this new state. A lot has been going on. I have had a lot of mishaps, but I have been pushing through because, you know, that's just who I am. But I know things are getting good when I personally feel like, okay, you know what, let me get my eyebrows done, because I've been in such a stage of, oh, I'm not making the right amount of money, I'm not working like I'm supposed to be working, because the past few weeks I have been really tired. I have allowed things to, you know, stress me out more than I should have. I've just been adapting to the new environment. Like, I was staying in the hotel or whatever at one of those extended stays. I did not like that. I didn't even know I had this bump under my, it was so much hair. I did not know I had this bump. But anyway, yeah, I was staying in these hotels, and I was working less, right? Because I'm like, normally in a car right now, I work all day. You know what I'm saying? I can work all day. And the hotels is kind of like, I done spent like over $400 for a hotel for the week. You know what I'm saying? And I'm working 24/7 damn near. So I'm really just wasting money. So it was a lot going on, you guys. So I have come to the conclusion that those hotels, it's just not for me, and you know what I'm trying to do. So you know, the stress is coming down, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what, let me get my eyebrows done, because I need to get back into investing in myself and, you know, self-care, because, you know, technically I am a brand, right? I am a business, right? And I want to, you know what I'm saying, take care of myself. I want to feel good about myself, you know, or whatever, when I'm around people and so forth. But anyway, you guys, let me back up and start driving to my little hub spot that I go to, that I get, you know, a lot of orders at or whatever. But yes, you guys. So I'm in a rental right now because I'm not sure. I think I told you guys my car had broke down that brought me here. Finally broke down on me, so I am in a rental, but I'm also a used car dealer, and I plan on getting back into the business of selling cars and riding in the car myself, you know, instead of renting out other people's cars, or whatever. But that's okay. I'm not paying rent to stay anywhere right now, so I can handle the rentals of the cars for right now, but this is only temporary, or whatever. So that's that. Now, as far as my business, I'm in the process of making sure my businesses are set up correctly so that I can put myself in a position to start getting business loans and business credit and start building my business credit, all that good stuff, right? So I have this one LLC that I'm working on right now. What did I have to do to it? Okay, so I had a virtual address for it, but you know, everything that was going on this year, I, you know, allowed it to close down, get shut down or whatever. So I had to reopen a whole new virtual address, and that's requiring me to have to change my address with the you know, the Secretary of State and or whatever like that. I'm trying to get my DNB number. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get my Duns and Bradstreet number so that I can start building up that credit. Let me hurry up before I get an order. But yeah, so I changed it with the Secretary of State. Now what I'm going to do some research tonight during some downtime that I may have, about about, you know, what do Duns and Bradstreet need, you know, in order for me to update my address. So, you know, like what 2 documents, because you have to have 2 documents that you must submit to Duns and Bradstreet, showing that you have the address. So I mean, clearly one of them would be the contract that I got with the virtual address, I mean the virtual office company. And then you know, I need to sit down. I need to go ahead and pay this $50, because anytime you want to change something with the Secretary of State, it's called an amendment, and it's gonna run you $50. I mean, that's in Mississippi, so I'm not sure how much it costs in other states, but I have to pay $50 for that. I just got an order to go to Chile, so let me hurry and wrap this up. But yeah, you guys, so I'm hoping that I have my Duns and Bradstreet number soon. I'll let you guys know about that. I'm also using that same LLC EIN number to get me my babies some cell phones and some tablets and things like that. So I'll keep you guys updated. But anyway, let's get out of here. I don't want to miss this order. Bye. Maybe a good one. You never know.